In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots in Brave Browser. If you're looking for an easy way to capture what you're seeing on a web page, including long scrolling pages, Brave Browser supports screenshot functionality through an extension. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting it up and using it to take full page screenshots with ease. To begin, open your Brave browser and go to a search engine page. In the search bar, type the name of a screenshot extension designed for browsers and look through the results until you find the official extension page. Once you locate it, click on the first relevant result to open the extension listing. After the extension page loads, you'll see an option that allows you to add it directly to Brave. Click on the button labeled Add to Brave to begin the setup process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking for permission to proceed. Select Add Extension, and then wait for the browser to complete the setup. This may take a few moments as the extension is being prepared for use. Once the extension has been successfully added, look toward the upper right corner of your browser window. There, you'll find the extensions icon. Click on it to view all installed extensions. From this list, locate the Screenshot tool and enable quick access by pinning it to the toolbar. This ensures that the tool is always visible and easy to use whenever you need it. Now that everything is set up, you can use the extension to capture web pages. Click on the pinned screenshot icon and a menu will appear with different capture options. You can choose to capture the visible portion of the page, select a specific area, or capture the entire web page from top to bottom. For a full page screenshot, select the option that captures the entire page. The tool will automatically scroll through the web page and generate a complete image of everything on the screen, including content that is not immediately visible. After the screenshot is created, you will be given several options for saving it. You can save it as an image file, export it as a document, or copy it directly to your clipboard if you plan to edit or paste it into another application later. Choose the option that best fits your needs and proceed with saving the file to your device. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to take full-page screenshots in Brave Browser using an extension tool. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.